Everyone thinks AI money is complicated. What if it's actually simple systems anyone can run? What if you only need a laptop and internet? What if most people are missing obvious opportunities? Today, I'll break down exactly how I did it. No fluff, just steps that actually generate revenue. You'll see the tools, the process, and the logic. I'll also show what didn't work. That's where most people lose time and money. Stay until the end, one step changes everything. I started with zero custom tools or coding. I focused on leverage, not effort. AI works best when paired with distribution. So first, I picked a market. Not a random niche, a buying market. I chose US-based small businesses. They spend money consistently. And they need results, not theory. Next, I identified a problem they hate. Tracking and ads performance confusion. That's where most money leaks happen. Then I mapped a simple offer. Fix tracking, improve ad performance. No complexity, just outcomes. Now comes the AI layer. I used AI to speed everything. First tool was ChatGPT for research. It helped me understand client pain points. I asked for common ad tracking issues. Then I validated those insights manually. Next, I used Perplexity for deeper research. It pulled real-time examples and data. This gave me stronger positioning. Now I had clarity on demand. Then I moved to lead generation. This is where most fail. They overcomplicate outreach systems. I kept it extremely simple. I used Apollo to find prospects. Filtered US businesses running ads. Focused on e-commerce and local services. Then I exported clean lead lists. Now comes personalization. Generic emails don't convert anymore. I used Instantly to send campaigns. But I didn't automate blindly. I first crafted a strong message. Used ChatGPT to refine tone. Made it sound human and direct. No long paragraphs or buzzwords. Straight to the point. Highlight problem, suggest fix. Then I added proof structure. Even without case studies. Used logical breakdowns instead. This increased replies quickly. Next step was audit creation. I used GA4 demo data for structure. Then recreated reports using Looker Studio. This gave visual clarity to clients. Now I needed speed. Annual audits take too long. So I used Claude for analysis summaries. It processed data insights faster. Then I converted insights into action steps. Clients care about what to do next. Not just what's wrong. Now comes closing deals. I didn't use complicated funnels. Just simple calls. Booked through Calendly. Kept calls under 20 minutes. Focused only on problems and solutions. No unnecessary storytelling. Then I priced based on value. Not hourly work. Tracking fixes can unlock thousands. So pricing reflected outcomes. First deals came within weeks. Not overnight, but predictable. Now scaling begins. This is where AI shines more. I used Notion to organize workflows. Created repeatable systems. Then automated reporting templates. Saved hours every week. Next, I improved outreach quality. Used Loom for quick video audits. Personalized videos increase response rates. I helped script those videos fast. Then I tested different angles. Performance, revenue, wasted spend. Each angle attracted different clients. I tracked results weekly. Adjusted messaging based on data. Now let's talk about content. Content builds inbound leads. I used Pictory to create videos, turned scripts into faceless content, posted consistently on YouTube, focused on value, not virality. This built authority over time. Clients started coming inbound. That's when leverage increases. Now fewer cold messages needed. More qualified leads coming in. At this point, I optimized delivery. Used Zapier for automation. Connected tools together. Reduced manual work further. Then I improved retention. Retention drives real profit. Added monthly reporting packages. Clients stayed longer. Revenue became stable. Now let's address mistakes. First mistake was targeting everyone. That kills clarity. Second mistake was overusing tools. Tools don't replace strategy. Third mistake was weak positioning. If you sound generic, you lose. Now here's the shift. Think like a system builder, not a freelancer chasing tasks. I is a multiplier, but only with clear direction. Now quick pause here. If this breakdown is helping, follow the channel. Turn on notifications for future strategies. I'll keep sharing what actually works. Back to the process. Next, I tested different offers. Audit only, setup only, full service. Full service performed best. Higher value, better retention. Then I refined onboarding. Used simple forms and checklists. Reduced friction for clients. Then improved communication. Weekly updates, clear reports. Clients trust clarity. Now let's talk numbers. First month was small revenue. Second month doubled. Third month stabilized. Growth came from consistency, not sudden viral wins. Now scaling further. I hired part-time help. Delegated repetitive tasks. Focused on high-value work. I handled most back-end tasks. Team handled execution support. Now business becomes scalable. Then I reinvested profits. Better tools, better systems. Improved client experience. This created referrals. Referrals are highest quality leads. Now growth compounds faster. At this stage, I reduced outreach. Focused on inbound and referrals. Content became primary channel. I made content production easier. Consistency became the advantage. Most people quit too early. That's the real edge. Now let's zoom out. Why does this model work? Because it solves real problems and uses AI for efficiency, not as the main product. That's a key distinction. AI is not the business. It powers the business. Now think about your angle. What problem can you solve? Where is money already flowing? Then layer AI on top. That's the formula. Simple, but powerful. Now let's simplify steps again. Pick a paying market. Identify a painful problem. Create a clear solution. Use AI to execute faster. Distribute through outreach and content. Close deals with clarity. Deliver results consistently. Scale using systems and automation. That's the entire model. No hidden secrets. Just structured execution. Now one important note. Don't wait for perfection. Start with what you have. Refine as you go. Speed beats perfection here. Now future opportunities. AI tools are evolving fast. New gaps are opening daily. Those who adapt early win. Those who wait get crowded out. So positioning matters more than ever. Become known for one thing. then expand later. Now, final thought. This is not passive income. It's leveraged active income. But with systems, it scales. That's the difference. If you want links to the tools, check the description. Everything mentioned is listed there. Use them strategically, not blindly. Now imagine 6 months ahead. Consistent clients, stable income. Systems running smoothly. That's realistic with execution. Not hype, just process. Next video goes deeper into scaling. More advanced strategies coming. If you want that, subscribe now. Turn on notifications to stay ahead. Because the next wave is already forming. And missing it will cost you.